In today's video, we are going to compare the Nothing Phone 2 against the Nord 3. With the Nord 3 already announced, it will get a point here. We don't have any information about the Nothing Phone 2 yet, so the Nord 3 wins here. The Nothing Phone 2 has an aluminum frame, so it will win here. The OnePlus Nord 3 has a slightly bigger display size, and maybe a brighter display, so it will win here. The OnePlus Nord 3 has a higher display resolution here, so it will win. Both runs the same Android 13, so it will be a tie. The Nothing Phone 2 has a better chipset here, but the Nord 3 has a faster CPU, so the Nord 3 wins. The Nord 3 offers a bigger RAM, so the Nord 3 wins. Both has the same rear primary camera, but the Nothing Phone 2 has wider ultra-wide camera, so it will win. The Nord 2 offers a slow-mo 120 FPS video, so the Nord 2 wins this category. Both phones almost have the same selfie camera, so I will give it a tie. The Nothing Phone 2 has a better Wi-Fi and Bluetooth version, so the Nothing Phone 2 wins here. Both phones offers the same sensors, so it will be a tie. The Nothing Phone 2 has a wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, but the Nord 3 wins here because it has a bigger battery and faster charging. Both phones offers the same number of colors available, so it will be a tie. Currently, we don't have a price for the Nothing Phone 2, but we expect the Nord 3 is cheaper. But we will give a tie for now. These are the pros and cons for each devices. So, which phone is better? I prefer the Nord 3 because it offers a better performance, faster charging, bigger battery, but if you are a camera-focused consumer, go for the Nothing Phone 2. So this is where the video ends. I hope you subscribe to my channel and like this video.